What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is C-Beer, and today for you guys I have a very special unboxing video, and this unboxing is going to be on Supreme's Week 9 pickup. And the item that's in this package right here is my most anticipated Supreme item of the season, the item in the collab that I like the most, and I can't wait to open this. But before I get into this, I just want to quickly apologize for not posting Supreme drop list video yesterday. I do know I've been posting those often, consistently on a week-to-week basis, but yesterday I was just busy with a little bit of schoolwork and just didn't have time to make a video. So I apologize for that, but I do expect to post more of those within the upcoming weeks. And also, before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the notification bell to receive updates when I do post more videos and stuff, whether it's Supreme content or sneaker content. But with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. So in Supreme Week 9, we had two different collaborations that dropped. We had the MLB collaboration, we had the My Bloody Valentine collaboration as well. But the My Bloody Valentine collaboration wasn't that, popular. It was more so the MLB collab. And also we had, I think the mugs that came out as well. So we had a lot of decent stuff that came out during that week. But the item that I grabbed was the one I wanted the most, and the one that I finally and luckily got. So let's get into this package. And I'm really excited to open this because I really wanted this when I saw it in the Supreme lookbook in the very beginning of the season. So I cannot wait to see what's in here. And opening this up, we have a bunch of stickers that actually fell. But we have some stickers, we have a basic Supreme box logo, and we have also some My Bloody Valentine stickers as well. It's cool to have these stickers, nothing too crazy, but there we go. And the item that we have here is the Supreme MLB varsity jacket in the navy colorway. And oh man, I'm really excited to have this because this is something I really wanted. I am a big baseball fan, and I just do love the sport and stuff, especially during the playoff times at least, because that's when the games get a lot more intense and the crowd and the energy is just in it. So this item I got was for the personal, so I'm going to open this up and show you guys full on what this looks like. Oh my god, this is so nice right here. So here we have the Supreme MLB varsity jacket, and this is very, very nice. You see all the different patches that are on this for all the different MLB teams. You see the Supreme S as well on the side, and just in person, they did an excellent, fantastic job on this I think collab, because whenever Supreme does collabs with teams and stuff, like if it's MLB or they did an NBA collab as well, they usually throw all the logos on the items they do. And with Supreme, they did for the MLB collab, they did the jacket and they did the hat. And I personally like that because it's just kind of unique. It's all over the place. And anything that's really unique when it comes to sports teams and stuff, I think it's pretty cool. It's not gonna be basic or anything. So this jacket right here though is really nice. We have the different patches for the different teams, like I said. We do have a few miscellaneous patches, we have a Supreme S with a baseball diamond. We have the Supreme box logo. And I believe there's a World Series patch, so there's a 1993 World Series patch here as well. And we also have something that says "Lookout" right here, and we have a Supreme looks like an eagle on the bottom. But my favorite baseball team out of all this is the New York Yankees. I grew up as a Yankees fan, and I lived close to the city, not too far from it, so that's my favorite team. I heard jokes about people trying to remove the Houston Astros patch, because their stupid ass cheating scandal, but I'm definitely going to wear this a lot whenever I get the chance to. On the back of the Supreme jacket, we have a Supreme ARC logo spell out, and that's pretty clean as well. Not a lot of people are too big fans of the ARC logo, but I think the placement of that logo is very nice. But again, overall, that's really all I had to say about it. It's just a nice, clean navy Supreme varsity jacket, and this was my favorite item of this season, because as soon as I saw pictures of it and just of the collab coming out, I had to have this jacket. So I'm really excited to have it. I cannot wait to wear this jacket. It'll stand out whenever I do wear it, so I'm really excited. So that is my Supreme Week 9 pickup though. Nothing too crazy, just the jacket. I do wish I got the hat though, but a lot of that stuff did sell out really fast, so I didn't get a chance to get the hat. But hey, at least I got the jacket, so I'm not gonna be complaining here. But please let me know what you guys got during week 9 of Supreme's drop. Did you guys pick up the MLB varsity jacket, or did you guys go for anything else, whether it's like the Supreme hat, the mugs, or even the My Bloody Valentine collab? Please let me know what you guys got. And also please make sure to like this video, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure to hit the notification bell for future updates when I do post more videos. Expect more sneaker reviews, Supreme drop list reviews, etc. And I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. Peace.
She went back to a man, give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the cold wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting